Hi, I'm Mary Lucero, and I'd like to talk with you today about some of the reasons why growers really need to be examining soil microbes. You see, in the 20th century, society launched some unprecedented experiments that transformed our agriculture, our nutrition, our health, and our prosperity. The experiments involved a series of replacements. We replaced small farmers with big machines. We replaced organic fertilizers with synthetic chemicals. We replaced farmland with concrete. We replaced locally grown organic fruits and vegetables with imported produce and synthetic vitamins. And we replaced good health with so-called affordable health care. Now, the results of this can be debated, and certainly many have benefited from these changes. But we cannot deny the fact that today we see fewer farmers, fewer farms, fewer fresh local food outlets, and many, many more doctors. Healthcare costs are really crippling our economy right now. And since chronic disease is related to malnutrition and dysbiosis, by the way, is the condition that arises when the microbes that help support your health are out of balance. Since most of our chronic disease is tied into malnutrition and dysbiosis, we simply must acknowledge that our healthcare crisis is associated with the way we grow and distribute our food. You see, healthy plants and healthy people are naturally surrounded with microbial communities we call microbiomes. These microbes surround our cells, our skin, our intestines, the lining of our gut, and they surround plants and the soil that the plants live in. And what the microbes do are cycle nutrients and detoxify waste so that we can be healthy. Too many current agricultural and food handling practices actually eliminate the beneficial microbes in the process of removing pests, and they leave us with empty microbiomes in our plants and our soil. This results in food that offers poor nutrient cycling capability, poor nutrition, and overall bad health. The good news today is that many modern growers know that when the right microbes are present, soils produce healthy plants. This is good news for the grower, it's good news for the consumer. And whether you're feeding your family or your community, healthy plants actually help keep more money in the pockets of the growers and the consumers. You see, healthy plants create healthy food systems and healthy economies. So, how do you know if your soil actually contains the microbes you need to produce healthy crops? Well, commercial laboratories can offer tests that reveal the genus and species of thousands to millions of the microbes that occupy even a teaspoon of your soil. These tests are invaluable at times and really provide crucial information for troubleshooting problem soils. But often these tests are also slow, costly, and confusing because they're really providing more information than you need. And so what we see happening is that growers don't use the testing often enough to truly guide their management. So an alternative to commercial lab testing is to learn how to use the microscope, and you can simply look and see for yourself what microbes are in your soil or your compost sample. We can teach you what to look for. An in-house microbial monitoring lab can be set up to last a lifetime for less money than you'd spend on a big screen TV. Individual soil samples only cost you about $1 to process, and you can have your results in about an hour. You can test as often as you need to because microbial communities are very dynamic. They change frequently with weather, with management, before and after you till, before and after you sow. You'll see a lot of changes in your microbial community, and if you can test often, you start to see how the microbes respond to your management. So this summer we are going to be offering our training online, microbial analysis for growers. You can register at our website at End-O-Fite.com. This is going to be a web-based training that you can study at your own pace, and if you register early, you get the best prices. We recommend the training for farmers, commercial growers, crop consultants, gardeners, master gardeners, landscapers, extension agents, pretty much anybody who's interested in plant and soil health. So once again, if you're interested in this, please go to our website. You can register online at End-O-Fite.com, and we will have discounts available for those who register early.